Okay, we're going to be walking down Huade, Beijing. Just kind of show you where we're at. That's Taipa. Up there is Gia Lighthouse, if you can see it. There's Rio Casino right there. And this is in an area called NAPE, ZAPE. These guys are all coming over from the NAPE area into this area called ZAPE. And then we're going to be walking definitely right down this way. So stay tuned. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head down this way. Down there's a landmark. There's a landmark casino right there. So we're gonna be walking down this little casino way towards Lisboa, down Huade, Peking, or Beijing. Peking is the Portuguese spelling. So let's go on down. You're gonna see some different hotels in here. Here's the Macau Finance Center. But yeah, there's McDonald's, and then across the street is Metro Park Hotel. So there's in this area it's called ZAPE, Z-A-P. It's E. It's an acronym. And there's a number of kind of cheaper hotels. There's a Daiso right in here. There's a landmark. Those are lanterns over there. You can see through the building. There's the Metro Park Hotel right there. So this area is usually filled by kind of lower end priced hotels. They were as low as like 200, 150, 300 during the pandemic for the last year and a half. I don't know what they are all the time. I think at least maybe double or triple, I think. Probably at least minimum 600 MOP, which is like 60 American dollars, or 70, that's 75 American dollars, sorry. So there's a landmark casino right there, and it has a hotel above it. There's the Metro Park Hotel, and then there's also like Holiday Inn. There's a hospital way up there up on the hill. This is our name of our street right here. Huade, Peking, or it's the kind of old spelling. This is the Portuguese spelling of Beijing. Let's see. I think this one is just a regular building here. Apartment building, I think. Cameras, bags for the tourists. Cameras and bags are real popular among the mainland Chinese tourism. It's a kind of cool looking building. Yeah, I like those lights. So what we're gonna do is keep on walking down. And now we're on another, this is called Huade, Shanghai, which is right here. We're gonna keep on walking down though. We're gonna keep seeing more hotels in this area. I think there's Holiday Inn coming up. Yeah, I see Holiday Inn. And just your generic apartment buildings. There's another camera shop for tourists. Noble and Go, a little convenience store. We're gonna keep on walking down. Okay, let me see. There's City University of Macau. And there's also right here is a little Havana place. It's like a cigar shop. The bus is kind of blocking the view right now. There's a Holiday Inn right there. So that's a Holiday Inn. And then this right here, there's some other ones. There's a Diamond Casino right there. Oh yeah, now you can see the Casa del Habana. It's like a cigar shop. So here's a Holiday Inn. So yeah, this is kind of a lower priced, lower end hotels. I think a lot of them are and if you go just on the other side of the ZAPE area, this is called NAPE. Here's a police station right here to the right. You see there's a bar right there, Oscar's bar, so I guess that's the bar right there for the hotel. Diamond Casino. Let's see if we can see it a little bit. So we're gonna keep on walking down the street. But let's kind of show you the main Actually, this is kind of interesting in here, so let's just go down there for a second. To show you. There's always people hanging around in the corners here. But we're still kind of in this Huade Beijing, Huade Shanghai, Beijing Street in Shanghai Street. Some more hotels up that way. So now you're kind of in this little walking street. Diamond Casino right there. It's pretty cool. And now you can see some other casinos. There's Emperor Hotel, Landmark Casino straight down that way. You can see, I think that's part of Star World Casino up there. You can see some of the apartments up here. And then this one is goes all the way down to Lisboa in that area. So maybe we'll kind of go down this way a little bit. You can see lots of tourist shop stuff, basically caters towards the mainland Chinese. Lots of pharmacies, things like that. A lot of pharmacies, liquor stores, shopping, shoes, pants, stuff like that, clothing. More pharmacies, like medicinal goods. More clothing, Darcy Log. Let's see here. Lisboa is straight ahead. Yeah, kind of lots of cool little boutiques. Huade Cantao, which is like Canton Street, Holiday Spa, Japanese cuisine, stuff like that. Japanese cuisine up there. Okay, let's keep on walking straight. Some restaurants up here, more pharmacies, golden sauna, stuff like that. So we're walking straight towards Lisboa Casino. Here's Hotel Fortuna. I don't know what we're gonna call this one. Maybe the strip of hotels and casinos. There's Fortuna right here. That's Lisboa. Let's just kind of take a look around. You see all those apartments up here. President Casino straight ahead this way in Fortuna. And up here is MGM Ascot Hotel. So there's that's kind of the more higher end hotels. MGM is right across that street. Is kind of that separates these two. Here's Hotel Fortuna. Okay, so if you go over to that side, MGM and some of those other casinos, all the hotels will probably be like 1,000 MAP, which is maybe like 150 American dollars, 200 American dollars. And then this area is called ZAPE. This is Fortuna right here, and we're on this street right here. So there's a Fortuna. And there's Lisboa straight ahead, and there's Grand Lisboa, that casino up there. You can hear more like coughing behind me, so like when you hear that coughing, spitting, that's kind of more like mainland Chinese tourists usually. So you don't really see that much in Macau in general, but you get a lot of it when you get in these areas because it's mostly mainland Chinese tourists. There's MGM right there. That's a nice part over there. Fortuna again. We're gonna keep on walking. Beautiful Japanese restaurant right there. And then this one is all shopping. So you got watches. Yeah, a little bit of a shopping area, which is more popular again for mainland Chinese tourists. Bags, watches, things like that. And here we got Lisboa straight ahead. So we're just gonna keep on walking straight ahead. And there's a Wynn Casino. Wynn and MGM are both over there. Paradise Comeback Casino. Now we have this one. Paradise Casino. So we just kind of went down that little strip. Grand Prix comes through right in this spot. We're gonna keep on walking down. So basically we're gonna walk around Lisboa now. But you can see that that little area is called ZAPE. I guess I'll label it lower end hotels and casinos. Strip of hotels and casinos. And then we're gonna walk around Lisboa, but now we get into, these are a little bit more pricier. So you get the Grand Lisboa right there. That costs more money to stay in that place. Now we kind of come around the corner here. We got Grand Lisboa and we got Lisboa. So this is some kind of angle this way. And we're gonna try to get across here a little bit. There we go. There's Grand Lisboa straight ahead. And here's a Lisboa right there. So I guess there's a lot of people going into Lisboa. I don't know the reason. I think I need to go. We have to go around like this. And now we're kind of at some famous place right there. That's kind of an iconic place a lot of people are interested in. I've definitely filmed it many times. Okay, so we're gonna come around to the front of Lisboa in a second, and I'll probably end the video there. So we kind of went through kind of a lower budget area of cheaper hotels and kind of cheaper casinos, and then yeah, these would be a lot pricier. So if you want to stay here, it would cost you a little more money, of course. That's a Grand Lisboa, and we got Lisboa. So we'll capture the lights of Lisboa in a second. Pretty cool looking. Okay, so we're gonna capture Lisboa momentarily. Lots of lights everywhere, right? Okay, and that's the lobby to the Lisboa right there. And there's Macau Tower in the background. And there's the Grand Lisboa. Oh, the Lisboa's lights are off. So that's actually the Lisboa, but the lights are off today. Yeah, I don't know why it's off, but it's off. But some of it is on up there. So anyways, that's this whole little ZAPE area. That's the Grand Lisboa right there. Let's just go across a little bit further, and we'll try to film from back here. Tower. And there we go. So I did right here. On a beautiful note.